Day 1 of lockdown. Even though lockdown means in the house, it doesn't mean that you can't have fun. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make owl sounds. Owl sounds are a perfect way to get somebody's attention without even knowing how to whistle and without a whistle. So first, the key is to have none of the fingers having holes. First way, put your fingers like this. Make sure there's no holes in between. Cover it like that. Put your two thumbs in the middle. Make sure there's no holes in between. And push it up. Make sure your hole is a bit of a slit. Put your mouth over here where your bones are. Sometimes it takes a while to get the angle. There's another way to do it. Do it like that. Put all your fingers together. Press it down. And put your two thumbs here. And another way to do it, put it like that. Put your two thumbs here. Like that. No skills required for whistling, just owl sounds. I'm gonna make a skill every single day. Any comments, pop below. We're gonna make lockdown fun. See you guys later.